Today I want to show you about one of my absolute favorite tools to use in any Google Drive application. It works in all of them, so I'm going to show you a few different examples in the various applications. Here I have a doc setup. I'm going to start with docs since that's what most people probably use more than anything else. So here I have a bulleted list, and in my bulleted list I have various topics, and I want to maybe highlight those top bullets. I want to make sure they're big and noticeable. So I want to format them. Let's say we want to make them bold, and let's highlight them yellow. So now I have topic 1 bolded and highlighted. I could go through to each of the individual topics and select them and bold them and highlight them. However, I might not want to waste my time doing that, so I want to show you a quick shortcut that will copy all of the formatting. No matter how much formatting you have done to a text, it will copy all of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select topic 1, and I am going to go up to the menu and click the Paintbrush. Paintbrush is located over on the left-hand side next to the Redo and the Undo buttons. So now I'm going to click that, and what it does is it copies that formatting, all of the formatting. Now I'm going to go down to topic 2. I'm going to click and select everything I want to be formatted like that. And let go, and there's your bold and your highlighted. Now, one thing that you have to remember is that every time you want to copy formatting, you have to re-add it to the paintbrush. So you have to click the paintbrush icon again. And copy that again, click select, and it will copy the formatting down to the other topic. One thing you need to be careful about is I was saying you need to click and select. If you just click, it's going to format only whatever word is clicked in. So I'm going to copy that formatting again and show you an example of that. If I just click in this word about, it's going to take only the word about and format that. You'll notice that my topics had a space in them, so I needed to be really careful about selecting exactly which text I wanted to add the formatting to. With bullets, sometimes it gets a little bit wonky, and it highlighted the bullet originally, but it didn't highlight it later on because I wasn't selecting the whole row. The reason I didn't select the whole line, the whole row, was because I wanted to make sure that I got the topic and the 2 all in one click. Alright, so that's how you do it in Docs. I'm going to show you really quickly how to do it in some of the other applications. So I'm going to go over to a spreadsheet. Here I have 2 cells already made up. I have a couple dates listed, and let's say I wanted all the dates to have that same fancy formatting that Monday has. You'll notice that Monday is centered, it's bold, it's got a background color of red, it also has a fancy little dotted line border. So if I click on that cell, then go up to my paintbrush tool, it's in the exact same place, click that, it copied all of the formatting in that cell. Now I'm going to select my Friday cell, and it will copy all of the formatting over again there. Again, you need to be careful about what exactly you select. When you're using sheets, it's going to select that whole cell. I can add my formatting to multiple cells if I want. I'm going to paint that format again, and I'm going to click and drag to select multiple cells, and it will copy it to multiple cells. But again, you need to be very careful about not letting go of your mouse, keeping the touchpad clicked down or keeping the mouse button clicked down so that it carries over to all of those cells. So this is an example of how to use it in Sheets. I probably use it in Sheets more than anything else. You can also use it when you are in Slides. So I have another example ready to go. I have a couple of bullets in my default format that I have for my slideshow. However, I copied some text from another file, and I want that text to look exactly the same. So again, I'm going to select the text I want to copy. I don't even need to select all of it, just enough of it that has the correct formatting. I'm going to paint it, and then I'm going to select the text that I want to copy it to, and it takes it right over to all of that text. Again, this paintbrush tool works in drawings. This is a fun thing to do because I have a couple of shapes here. I have this arrow that I've done some editing to, that I've made it yellow, and I added a bolder outline to it. Maybe I'm going to make my outline dotted so you can see. So it's got a couple of pieces of formatting to it. If I select that shape, go up to the top, click Paint, it's going to copy all of the formatting that I did to that shape. If I click on this square, we'll copy all of it over. And this cool shape format copying can be done in Google Slides as well. But I wanted to show you that it does in fact work in drawings. So you can see the Paintbrush tool is a very useful thing to use in any of the Google Drive apps.